$2,000 and new upcoming checks. Fourth stimulus check update. Recently approved new $1,000 checks update and the $2,000 stimulus checks and a new program to guarantee basic income just announced. Some new information on rental assistance. Currently, there is worth $43 billion and the states are working hard to secure it. Let's move as fast as possible. In other words, let's get some money. All of this will be discussed in details in this video. $1,000 checks. These $1,000 checks are available in several states with more to come soon. These are 1,000 bonuses. States participating in the 1,000 check. These are known as thank you checks. These checks are made out to the following states: California, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, and Texas. Who will get $1,000 checks? These bonus payments of $1,000 are going out to teachers, other public figures. These payments may be available to eligible individuals. These payments will be available to millions and millions of people in all these states. Many states have issued stimulus checks and these have been there are many bonus programs available. These $1,000 payments are made to many different people. It is another program that was just released in all these states. I will keep you posted on this. If you are one of these states, I recommend you do a simple internet search for Colorado. How do I check which state participate in the $1,000 check? You should be able to get information from the states. You will need to share your information with the state. Perhaps your tax returns are something similar, but it would help you look into it. You don't want $1,000 more than you need, not to mention California $600 Golden State Stimulus Check. Over the next month, California will be sending its $600 Golden State Stimulus checks. So those payments will be going out again. They just approved 600 payments, which will cover approximately two-thirds of California populations. These payments will reach 26 million people. 2000 stimulus check update. Let me know, give you an update on the $2,000 stimulus check. Then we'll get into discussing this new guaranteed basic income program which was just announced. The $2,000 stimulus checks are actually what I am referring to. Remember that there are many different members of Congress. Right now, 53 representatives are represented in the House want $200 stimulus checks. 21 senators want 2,000 stimulus check. 7 members of the House Methods and Means Committee. They also want $2,000 in stimulus checks. There are many out there, not to mention the petition that is being circulated. We have already talked about in a few times, but the petition keeps getting more signatures. It is amazing to see how many people are signing this petition. It is telling me that there are so many people who sign this petition every single day. This petition is signed by thousands every day. It feels like there are a lot of people who need $2,000 stimulus check. If we didn't have these tens and ten thousands of people signing the petition each day, people wouldn't signing it. I mean, people are signing up for the money because they need it right now. Alright, anyway, I will also leave a link in the description if anyone wants to sign. Guaranteed basic income or monthly recurring checks. Let's discuss the new Guaranteed Basic Income program. You now know what guaranteed income is. It is a monthly stimulus payment for a specific group of people for a certain period. It is typically anywhere from 1 to 5 years. It takes anywhere from 1 to 2 years, sometimes even 3 years. Sometimes it can even last up to 5 years. The latest program announced by Alexandria, Virginia, sent out to string attached payments for various people in Alexandria, Virginia. We can continue to add more granted basic income programs as they appear all across the country. These programs seems to be popping up almost every week. These programs are popping up more often. These guaranteed basic income programs are becoming very popular. The universal basic income, which is very similar to both these programs back in 2020. These programs were only 2 to 3. It was not many, just a few. The first of this type was in Stockton, California in 2019. We are now, and there are many cities in 60 states and localities. These are all in support of GBI programs. It is rapidly spreading right now. It's a positive thing. Low income people. Rental assistance. Let's discuss this important information about rental assistance. Would you please bear with me if you are not currently eligible for rental assistance? As of yesterday, the CDC has extended a 60-day eviction moratorium to October 3. At this point, we don't know if the extension will be extended further. Between now and then, we have approximately 2 months. The fact is that the federal government has been states billions of dollars to help struggling renters. You may have already applied or may you didn't because you were afraid you wouldn't qualify. You should apply if you are behind on rent. Regardless of whether you believe you are eligible. Here's why I say that states have billions upon trillions of dollars. They desperately want to get out the front door. The current states has $43 billion and states have 60 days to get it out of the door. They want to spend the money as they need it. If you are not eligible or believe you are not eligible, I urge to apply. It doesn't matter if you don't think you are eligible. Would you please apply? The worst case scenario, they'll examine your situation and maybe say that we would love to help. Unfortunately, we don't know if we can help you right away. Here's the truth. You won't find out unless you try. They might be so eager to get the money out of the door now that they may look at your situation and say, we'll make an exception. Well, give the money to you, and here's what happens if your rent is not up to date. You haven't been financially able to pay the rent. You know that many people are in this situation. There is a common situation for millions upon millions of people. If that is you, you are not the only one. Let's hope that you don't end up being evicted if you decide to move in the future. That isn't good. Although I wouldn't want it for everyone, you would still be responsible for any past rent if this were the case.